Welcome to DriverCare, your trusted partner in accident management since 1993. For over 3 decades, DriverCare, an Australian-owned company, has been driving excellence through cutting-edge technology solutions. Our mission is simple: minimise costs and maximise returns for our clients by reducing driver downtime. Our services align with your duty of care, offering expertise in accident assistance, repair management, loss control, and risk mitigation. With our proven 31-year track record, DriverCare delivers a premium, 24/7 end-to-end accident management service. Our offerings include 24/7 accident assistance, replacement vehicle network, incident notifications, licensed repairer allocations, picture capture assist technology, rapid windscreen bookings, lodgements and qualified loss assessments, third-party settlements, total loss, recoveries and litigation services. So, how does it work? Drivers can quickly report incidents through our 24/7 hotline, our intuitive Fleet Companion mobile app, or our online portal. Our priority is the safety and well-being of the driver. We assess the situation, verify vehicle damage, and provide immediate towing services if needed. We also arrange replacement vehicles or alternative transport options like taxis and Uber services. Next, we allocate a licensed repairer to quote the vehicle damage. Our valet door-to-door service ensures convenience for metropolitan areas. Alternatively, our picture capture assist technology speeds up the process by allowing drivers to assist with image capture. If the repair cost exceeds the insurance excess, we handle the lodgement with the insurer, ensuring a smooth process. Once assessed and approved, we schedule repairs and provide a replacement vehicle if needed. We keep you and the driver updated throughout the repair process. Once repairs are complete, the vehicle is cleaned and returned to the driver, and the replacement vehicle is collected. DriverCare manages all accident-related costs, including the excess, with transactions detailed in your monthly lease invoice summary, and any third-party correspondence is promptly directed to the insurer for swift settlement or recovery. Experience peace of mind with DriverCare's 24/7 end-to-end accident management service. Because at DriverCare, we're committed to keeping you and your fleet moving forward.